Today we are making seed paper. So here's the video of how it's done. First, you need to get the paper and shred it up. Then you need to put it in a blender and add a lot of water. Then add food coloring of your choice. You do not have to. After you're done, blend it up for a little while until it turns into mush. When it's done, put it in a bowl, add seeds, and then mix them in with your hands or a spoon. Drain it out and then put it on parchment paper. After it's on the parchment, start to put it in molds. When it's in the mold and you're done, dry it off with a paper towel. When you're done taking them out of the mold, you can put them in the sun if it's a nice day, or you can use a hair dryer on a low, cool setting. The hair dryer won't dry it completely, but it will speed up the drying process. Once they dry completely, you can give them as gifts or plant them.